Hello, good afternoon. This is Gideon here. So today we're going to be considering how to use Selenium Framework to test the front end of a URL. And the URL we are considering here is this. So the first thing you have to do is that you have to set up um your class first, and then of course you set up the various annotations before at, then test, and then after. It's normally advised that you use before class because it runs only once. But I avoided that here because it will require me to use static, and I don't want to go that route. And so yeah, so then you have to set this up and set the path for your Chrome driver executor, and then you initialize your driver, and then delete all the cookies, and after that you attach, of course, attach the URL you're going to be testing, and then manage various the window and maximize it, and then include your wait. I use 10 seconds here just to reduce the time of the response. And so you see that I was using expert here, and I also use name. So it all depends on what you want and how you want it. I think this is where how it boils down, and how you want to design your test. You know, um, so um, so yeah, this is it. And then after that, of course, you quit the driver. This is very important to avoid memory leaks. And so let me run it. If I run it, I've already written this before starting the recording, so that I won't waste time. If I run it, you're going to see how it works. Now, my